SX event Don't Eat Slurpee. The Stickman Police Department and the FBI Stickman and the CIA Stickman and the President of the Stickman will destroy all 7-Eleven is now Don't Eat Slurpee, and I repeat, Don't Eat Slurpee this SX event, and now we are showing a picture about it. This a picture of Slurpee and this location. And now this indoors lock of windows doors and you see eating Slurpee all 9.1.1 Police Department SX event Don't Eat Slurpee SX event